Welcome to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. In this video, we are solving question 14 of WAASCE 2022, question number 14. Okay, the first part, if the position vectors of 2 points P and Q are given as you can see on the screen, we are to find correct to 2 decimal places the magnitude of vector 7P plus 4Q. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do this. So first, we need to find the vector 7, and this is 7 times the vector P, which is 5i minus 7j plus 4 times minus 3i plus 8j. So we have 35i minus 49j plus that is minus 12i plus 32j. So we need to rearrange them. So we have 35i minus 12i minus 49j plus 32j. So 35i minus 12j, we have 23i minus 17j. So we then find the magnitude, which will be, we square the x component and we square the y component. So we have square root of, this is 529 plus 289. So we are getting 18, and which is, when you take the square root, 28.6007, and then we were asked to correct to 2 decimal places. So we have 28.60. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. Now this is a question on inclined plane. So a body of mass 25 kilograms is placed on a smooth plane which is inclined at 65. Okay, so this is how the diagram will look like, and so that is your angle, and this is the weight of the block and the direction of the forces. Okay, now we are supposed to find the velocity. Now to find the velocity, we need to find the acceleration, right? Okay, so resolving the forces R to the block, we have acceleration being equal to mg sine theta. Yes, so that will be 10 times sine 65. So we have 10 times sine 65 is 0.90631. So we have acceleration to be 9.0631 meters per second squared. Okay, so to find the velocity, we use the equation v is equal to u plus at, and we know the initial velocity to be 4 plus this acceleration 9.0631 times what? 2, as the time is 2 seconds. So when we simplify this, we are getting 22.1262. So when we correct it to 2 decimal places, we have 22.13 meters per second. So let's look at how we are going to score this one. For substitution, we are going to get m1, and if you are able to simplify, get another m1, then the final answer is a1. Now for finding the magnitude with substitution, that's m1. As for finding and simplifying it, we have another m1. If we are able to compute this one, then get a1, and then the final answer a1. Take note, don't be in a haste to approximate your value. You always have to write your answer to, about 4 or 5 decimal places before you correct it to 2 decimal places. So in this particular question, if you approximate it direct, you're going to lose 1 mark. Now, question B. If the candidate is able to draw the diagram like this, indicating mg sin theta, the inclined angle, the weight, then the candidate is going to get E2. Now, if not, if any of these labels is wrong, then -1 each error. Any omission by the candidate will be penalized by subtracting 1 from the 2. Okay, let's come to the calculation. So Finding the acceleration, and you are going to get M1, and then the final answer, which is 9.06, you get A1. When it comes to the velocity, finding the velocity, you get M1, and then the correct velocity, you get another one, making 13 marks. Viewers, thank you very much.